hoping that anything goes wrong, you know. So I'm just heading to that planet now, and we're gonna go on you know, elsewhere aboard forgot.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
I can't say
Add attention, you deserting maggot! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Yep.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Wow, that is so nice. I'm checking the weapon.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Yeah, I was thinking I
Oh, that's
wanted
a
to
nice
buy
one.
it, but I don't remember much, but yeah, not mine. Now I'm going on to the mission. Talk to the commander, which I already did. Scout the area. Yeah, I'm going. I know I haven't uploaded all the video all the time, but I'm lazy and sometimes I watching a video all the time. So hopefully that, well, anyway, so I wanted to say some of the Nintendo Switch. So I admit the Nintendo Switch is awesome. I'm not sure if I wanted to buy it because all the gigabyte thing and all the controls thing. I heard so much. I heard the rumor, but I don't remember much. Sorry, I can't. So they're gonna do some. Yeah, that one I'm almost fall. That was a close one. I would like. Anyway, I think they might. They planning on the achievement. You know, like the same Xbox 360 they have, like a trophy. And Nintendo Switch say the achievement, the trophy thing, whatever they want to call it, but. That kind of bit annoying. I don't know. Yeah, I know they do something like that. I would admit that's pretty amazing, but sometimes you better be careful because you play the game, you get a trophy, but you want to play the multiplayer game, you know, for the trophies. Like, how do you get that? Well, you have to play in the multiplayer game. Just like when I have Transformer Revenge of the Fallen, and somehow nobody wants to play the multiplayer anymore. Yeah, that's kind of a little too bad. I was really late for that. So either way, I'm planning on selling the Transformer Revenge of the Fallen. Anyway, I didn't have time to put on a demo version of Marvel vs. Capcom. I admit it's awesome, but gonna be, for me, it's gonna be take a while to learn the control. And I'm not sure I want that. Besides, I want to do that because of the story they have. Even you want to play online, that's fine, but if anything goes wrong, I suck at this. Yeah. Now, well, yeah, the other demo version. I know I have a Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. It's not a full game, it's sort of like trial. But let's just say the multiplayer trial I played is finished. Yeah. And it's kind of a bit too bad, so I thought I had more time to play multiplayer like Plant vs. Zombie, but well, you snooze, you lose. At least that's what they say. That's not what they all say all the time, do they? Well, the other part, yeah, I did have a campaign demo version, but yeah, it's gonna take me a while. Anyway, now the other thing I want to talk to, oh yeah, sorry, the Sonic Mania. I'll admit, all the review I saw, the IGN, GameSpot, and Easy Out, Ally? Am I reading correct? I don't know. I just don't. I mean, I'm not a good speller, I know.
Halt! Who are you? What are you doing?
We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
Yeah.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous.
Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
My hiney. I just want to get home to my family.
Oh.
Here, I pulled myself a busted
that's too
robot.
bad.
Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours.
You join the army and you never know there's gonna be a war. How did you not know there's gonna be a war? Huh.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
I didn't know that they could...
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts.
I don't remember what's in the... Oh no, they don't. Too bad they didn't put a helmet. But I think it's a good thing they rebooted Ratchet Clank.
We still have a few minor...
Besides, it would have been a different. Ratchet got his ship and he doesn't need a
Kinks
helmet.
worked out of that thing. I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this, Drek that?
Why you
I
say
got
that?
my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick?
It wasn't his fault, he didn't know.
Forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
Yeah. I don't blame Clank, I mean, he didn't know. I mean, sure, he's a genius, but not smart. I mean, you see the poster and,
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I didn't know that he was not hero or something. But anyway. So I would say the music again, it's kind of a good, but yeah, I don't know. It's like you're not in the battlefield or something. I mean, you are. But kind of it. I can't say for sure the music. I would say a bit so-so. Yeah, about Sonic Mania, I would say it's great. Like they, you know, IGN give an 8 and GameSpot give it 8 as well, if I remember correctly. If I don't, let me know in the comments. Including the Easy Allies. Sorry, I don't remember much. Give a 4-star. Give a 4-star. Well, I can't say that. Well, I would say it is great. The thing is, I wanted to play the game, even the interesting the new enemy team, hard-boiled heavy. That is some interesting new villain. Well, not villain, but the new enemy team. You know, new. Sorry. I wouldn't use a missile, but for now I'm gonna use a gun. Yeah, I know it's a great weapon, but it's expensive at money. Alright. Anyway, also the awesome music they have, which is the part of the music I like, is the hard-boiled heavy music. You know. Yeah, sorry, I'm not supposed to say that. So yeah, awesome music. The new level and old level are coming back. New music, new enemy, new game. Well, not gameplay, but well, they have a battle mode for some reason. But the thing is, I kind of wish they put it in the disc. I don't want to spend the money just because the, you know, if you're like a fan of Sonic, classic Sonic. Like, you want to get the game, go ahead, but you're gonna spend the money and, you know, I mean, if I buy it, yes, it'll be awesome for me to try it, but if I do and if I get bored, well, and I finish the game, I cannot return it. No, not in an online thing, you know. It's better that I wanted to get the disc. It's a good thing they put a Crash Bandicoot in the disc. Otherwise, I wouldn't have a problem with it. Oh, so yeah. I should let you know that I do have PlayStation 3 and 4. My Xbox 360, I think I did tell you that I can't use it anymore. Let's just say it probably is dead. Dead. Like Heavy said, dead. Not big surprise. Sorry I had to do that. That was not right. That's kind of a bit of racing or something. Speaking of racing, no wait, no, I don't think so. I don't want to do that. Anyway, I should tell you about the Ratchet Clank. Like, Ratchet Clank is one of my favorite characters, and I did tell you before. And you know, this is this game, well, I would say it's a social, yeah, it's a good old time to play the game. But for me, well, I wanted to get to know this game. I mean, music stuff and editing stuff that happens. Well, oh wait.
Blasted thing, it won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Yeah,
Well,
don't even think about it.
See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you.
Ooh.
Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected.
Clank have an idea.
You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck.
You too.
Hello
General.
once again, fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned our factories, our laboratories, and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home, which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
Now do you understand why we must stop him? He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy?
Well, different fish anyway. Look, didn't that commando guy say we could get into that compound?
Yes, by
Oh, that
using
was
the
the
ventilation
commando.
shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Fine.
The
let's get
magnet
going then.
boost.
We'll come back later.
You will need a pair of Gadgetron Magna boots to traverse this ventilation shaft. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect any Magna boots on this planet.
The magnet boost, I would say that would be awesome. It can use to travel if the wall made a magnet metal thing. So pretty much that's it, everything I do, and that's all I talk about. That's all for today. Hope to see you next time. If you like this video, leave a comment. Leave a like and leave a comment below. Alright then. Bye.